A Los Angeles County judge ruled Monday that 4 social workers accused of criminal negligence in the death of an 8-year-old Palmdale boy they were charged with protecting should stand trial, allowing prosecutors to push ahead with a case that has sent a chill through the ranks of child protection workers nationwide. Some defendants broke down in tears after Superior Court Judge Mary Lou Viller announced that the case would move forward. One of the social workers, Patricia Clement, placed her head in her hands in disbelief. "When the judge announced it, I wanted to throw up," she said later. Clement said a range of failures led to the boy's death, including by her agency, where she worked as a social worker. "The department doesn't do a good job. They don't understand," she said. Her attorney, Shelley Albert, expressed surprise at the judge's ruling. "This is outrageous and unprecedented. My client, all of them, they did what they were supposed to do," she said. Gabriel Fernandez died in 2013 after months of torture and abuse, prosecutors say, at the hands of his mother and her boyfriend. The two are awaiting trial on capital murder charges. But prosecutors also turned the spotlight on 4 former Department of Children and Family Services employees, accusing them of felony child abuse and falsifying public records. Prosecutors alleged that caseworkers Clement and Stephanie Rodriguez and supervisors Kevin Baum and Gregory Merritt ignored evidence of repeated abuse and minimized Gabriel's injuries. The case marked the first time in Los Angeles that county social workers faced criminal charges in performing their duties, said prosecutors, and is one of only a handful of such cases filed nationwide in recent decades. The decision by Los Angeles County District Attorney Jackie Lacey to prosecute the employees surprised many child protection experts, who have expressed fear that the decision could hamper efforts to recruit social workers for public sector jobs. LA Sheriff's deputies disciplined after horrific torture death of 8-year-old boy. Monday's ruling came after a preliminary hearing in which Gabriel's first-grade teacher and other witnesses testified about their mounting concern over signs of physical abuse, facial bruises, scabs, missing tufts of hair, busted lips, and alarm that their calls to the caseworkers went unheeded. The county fired the social workers, but Merritt is appealing his termination in court. All 4 vehemently have denied any wrongdoing. "They are scapegoats," said Merritt's attorney, Jim Barnes. "There are plenty of other people here involved in the decision-making." In testimony during the preliminary hearing, Summer Wind Elementary School teacher Jennifer Garcia said in the months before Gabriel's death, she repeatedly reported to county child service workers new signs of abuse that prosecutors say came at the hands of his mother, Pearl Fernandez, and her boyfriend, Israel Aguirre. A few weeks into the 2012-13 school year, Garcia saw a facial bruise the size of a $50 on the boy and he revealed he was beaten with a belt buckle, drawing blood, she said. She immediately called a county child abuse hotline and received a call back from social worker Rodriguez, she testified. In January 2013, Garcia said, Gabriel came to school with swollen eyes and a pockmarked face. At first, he said he had fallen, but he then told her, "My mom shot me in the face with a BB gun," she testified.